Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to look at how to summarize books with ChatGPT. So this might be helpful if you're trying to decide if you want to read a book and you want to know a bit more detail about it than what's in the description they have online. Or if you're studying and you've got a lot of reading to do, you can get ChatGPT to summarize a large amount of content for you. So you can upload files using this little plus icon if you have specific content you want ChatGPT to summarize. But you can also just give it a prompt about a book, which is what we're going to do now. So I found one that I haven't read yet, Atomic Habits by James Clear. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to summarize that for me. So can you summarize the book Atomic Habits by James Clear? So let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. So it gives you like the core idea that it's about like small consistent changes, atomic habits, and then it gives you like the key principles, stuff like that. So this might be enough for you, or you can ask, more specific things. So I might ask ChatGPT, give me the key points of the book in a bullet list. So yeah, if I want to know more about the core concepts of the book in a little bit more detail, this could be helpful. And again, you can even go like a little bit deeper if you want like summarizations of like chapter by chapter. You could say something like, please summarize the first chapter for me in detail. So it's going to break down chapter 1 for me, giving me the main idea, key points, and just go into a little bit more detail. You can do this for every chapter just to get a bit more information if that's what you need. Hope that was helpful. Give the video a like, and I will see you in the next video soon.